Good morning, children. This side Priyanka Agarwal from Sri Rama Bharati Public School, and today in English we are going to learn about paragraph writing. So, first of all, we will discuss about what is a paragraph, and then I'll tell you about the rules of writing a paragraph. So, please stay tuned.
So, children, let's start with the paragraph writing. But before writing a paragraph, you should know what is a paragraph. So, let me tell you what is a paragraph. A paragraph consists of a group of related sentences that develops a main idea. That means a paragraph is having a group of sentences and that is related sentences, and it develops the idea to the reader what the paragraph is about. Next is a paragraph writing consists of several rules that organizes the thought of the writer. So we have few rules that govern the paragraph. So before writing a paragraph, you should keep in mind those rules in order to have organized thought for the writer. So let's discuss the rules for writing a good paragraph. Now, this is how you can write an effective paragraph. What are the rules? What are the criteria? Number one is one topic. Your paragraph, whatever you are writing, it should have one topic. Next is sentences stick to the topic. Whatever sentences you are writing in the paragraph, it should be stick to the topic. That means your sentences should be related to the topic only. Next is topic sentence. You should start your paragraph with a very good and catchy line so that the reader develops an idea that what the paragraph is about. Logical sentence order and flow. Next is your sentences should be in logical order. That means whatever you are thinking about the topic, it should have a proper order of thoughts and flow. Supporting sentences, you should write the sentences in support of the topic. You should not be against of the topic. Don't write against the topic. Always your sentences should be related to the topic. Sentences should begin in different ways. If you are writing paragraph, right, many sentences are there, so every sentence should begin in a different manner. Vivid words, kindly use different variety of words. Don't repeat the words again and again. No run on sentences. Don't repeat the sentences. Don't write repetitive words in sentences again and again. And mechanically, your paragraph should be correct. That means it should have a proper beginning, middle, and end. Now, after discussing about these rules, let me tell you one more important thing. A paragraph is written in around 100 words. The word limit for writing a paragraph is 100 words, a paragraph only. So kindly maintain the word limit, and it should have a proper beginning, middle, end. First, you will introduce the topic in 2 lines, then you will write about the topic, and last, your conclusion, what you conclude from the topic. So this is how you are going to write the paragraph. Now, before uh, before closing of the video, let me give you the homework. You will write a paragraph either on cleanliness or environment. I have given you two topics. Your paragraph, you should write the paragraph that you will write. Either you can select either of the topic, either the cleanliness or the environment. Thank you so much.